Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the Aces and Eights burger. First thing we're going to do is have to make the Aces and Eights sauce. So what you want to do is start with a cup of mayo, about 2 tablespoons of chipotle peppers and sauce. So I just put like about a tablespoon of the sauce and 2 chipotle peppers in. A tablespoon of mustard powder, 1 1/3 tablespoons of white vinegar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 1/2 tablespoons of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. And then you just want to blend this up, and then you want to rethink your life, because why the fuck didn't you pick a more powerful blender? But just blend this, put in a container, pop into the fridge. The sauce will keep for about a week in the fridge, and you can use it for other stuff. Okie dokie, and the second sauce we're going to add is a pepper Dijonnaise. This one's really simple. 1/2 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a good amount of freshly ground black pepper. About that much. Spin this around and pour into a container, pop in the fridge. So those are the 2 sauces for this burger. Alrighty, now we're going to need 2 types of bacon. Really simple here. The one on the right, just going to do simple peppered bacon. How you make that? Put some freshly ground black pepper atop bacon. And the other one, I'm going to do a chipotle bacon. I'm just going to take some of this chipotle powder here and generously sprinkle it on. If you can, for whatever reason, find chipotle powder, just use cayenne. Same exact thing. Just about the chipotle is a little smokier, but the effect is the same thing. Then pop into a 300-degree oven and cook until done. Take about 20 minutes. Okay, time to get our 3rd-pound burger patties on the grill. And just kind of dust them with your favorite burger seasoning. Like I said, this is one kind of my local grocery store butcher shops makes up. It's really good. Or you can make your own. Super simple to make your own. All right, let's give these burgers a couple of minutes aside to cook up. Then we'll be ready for assembly. All right, time to assemble the Aces and Eights burger. As you can see, I've toasted up the bun. There's that chipotle sauce that we made up. It's not too terribly spicy, though. There's a patty, piece of American cheese melted on it. There's the peppered bacon. There's the chipotle bacon. Some pickles. Because as I always say, if your burger doesn't have pickles, it's garbage. Throw it on the ground. Tomatoes. And that Dijonnaise we made earlier, dribbling on top. And that's it. The Aces and Eight burger. Done.